Firefighting impulse storm, technologies and systems. The existing means and forces of fire teams all over the world are able only to ensure the cooling of neighboring reservoirs and extinguishing of oil rests after severe fire. Presently, no fixed or mobile firefighting system can extinguish a petroleum tank fire completely. These incidents show that in any country in the world, regardless of economic strength, fixed fire extinguishing systems installed on storage tanks in hydrocarbon processing facilities and factories cannot provide the solutions they were built for: first response to a fire and extinguishing it in its initial stages. In order for tanks with petroleum or hydrocarbons to be extinguished effectively, the system must be able to 1. Detect the fire. 2. Determine its location, size, and intensity. 3. Turn itself on and deliver the foam directly to the source of the fire. 4. Completely extinguish the fire. 5. Determine and confirm that the burning has stopped. 6. Disconnect extinguishing systems that are not in use. These 6 points are guaranteed to successfully extinguish any fire for any tank size with any amount of fuel. The main challenge is the time from the moment of ignition until step 6, which must not exceed 3 minutes. Currently, available systems cannot reach the 4th stage in less than 12 hours. We present the Impulse Storm IS fixing firefighting system, which can reach all 6 stages and completely extinguish any fire in less than 60 seconds. The process: detecting the fire, determining its coordinates, size, and intensity. Example: a cluster of oil tanks of varying sizes. Monitoring the facility from a single point is impossible. Solution 1. Installing an array of infrared cameras across the entire facility. Problems: complicated installation. Major setup and maintenance costs. Inefficient. Our solution: a new monitoring system combining 1 or 2 infrared cameras, software algorithms, and a set of mirrors providing an independent scan of each tank and a visual outlook of the entire facility. Our software analyzes information in real time and can determine the location, size, and intensity of the fire in less than 2 seconds from the moment of ignition. The system triggers the IS fire extinguishing unit and, 6 seconds from the moment the fire started, the extinguishing process starts in full capacity. IS creates super-compressed foam bubbles using very high pressure and neutral gas. The foam expands from the moment it leaves the IS container, goes through pipes at a very high speed and reaches the top of the tank, where it maintains its speed as it comes out through the nozzle, covering the burning surface. IS is the only system that has 1. Heavy-duty pressure for medium and high expansion foam products. 2. No oxygen in the foam mixture. 3. Foam created with a neutral gas and containing aerosol particles. 4. Foam dispensed at ultra-high speed and intensity of 300 liters per second and can reach 1,200 liters per second, about 4,755 gallons per minute. These unique characteristics increase the extinguishing effect by 10 times compared to normal systems. This makes the IS the only system in the world capable of extinguishing a 20,000-ton oil tank fire in 27 seconds. Comparing IS with any other system in the market is impossible, because there is no other system that can extinguish a 20,000-ton tank fire by itself. The system layout is extremely flexible and can suit almost any customer's requirements. 1. Above ground. 2. Underground. 3. Outside the storage tank complex. The software's algorithm can monitor, trigger, and control the extinguishing of an individual tank, a group of tanks, or trigger all units on all tanks in the facility. The system will operate at maximum capacity in any layout configuration. A mobile unit which can be deployed and connected to the burning tank's extinguishing pipes is also available on demand. In case the pipes from the IS unit to the tank are damaged, it is possible to use a robotic foam monitor for remote firefighting.